Hey guys, so we're up today. Well, we're waiting for you to tell us to do some more. Yeah, we don't want to trick that boy hyena again. Yeah, he's right. We want something new. Yeah, you're right, guys. I'm running out of ideas. Huh? Hey guys, check this out. Thank you. Good night. And I said that the sun and the moon are the same person this whole time. Hey guys, watch this. Hey crocodile, why are you so skinny? Has Hippo been sitting on you? Simon, you should have done that. Oh no, you didn't. That's it. Boy, what a day. Hey guys, I've learned something today. Do you guys know what we'll become? If we keep doing these things, we're gonna be famous. So what do you guys think? You with me? Yeah, let's do it. Yeah, I'll be famous. Hey guys, guess what? If you're famous, you get paid a lot in a week. What are you for, guys? We must think something that we're gonna do tomorrow.